All right, guys, this one is for anyone with a frozen switch 2. So if your device freezes up, it is a game and our computer, so it's prone to freezing. So if your device freezes, not happening to this, I'm simply demonstrating. And of course, you're unable to make any input, meaning the Joy-Cons don't work, the buttons don't work, the touchscreen doesn't work, and you can't move or operate it. All right, this is what you do. So of course, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna turn your device to the side. All right, so once you're on the side, you're gonna locate the button that's right here, and this is your power button. All right, so that's the button with the power icon. So you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna press and hold this button for about 20-25 seconds. You can go ahead and count. So that's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and you go to 25 or 20. The screen is gonna turn off, and I'm just demonstrating this. And once the screen turns off, you're gonna go ahead and you're going to simply go ahead and press. After that 20-25 seconds, you're gonna simply press, and once you press, what's gonna happen is that the device is gonna start back up, and you only need to press like 1 or 2 seconds and the device should come back up. You can go ahead again and you can unlock your device. All right, so ask for the password if it's password lock. And once you unlock the password, the device should come back up and you should be functional again. All right, so that's in case the device becomes frozen. It works from any screen, any situation. All right, so I do hope that was helpful for fixing a frozen switch 2. You can check us out and check out our other content. So see you in the next one, guys. Bye.